So we've got the sealant dropped. And so we've removed our wet damaged material at this point, but you can see how the floor has started buckling. So we've got our mat systems out. That's retrieving the water from underneath this floor, and you can see at the seams of these boards, the water's pulling up. We've got over 500 CFM pulling on that mat right there, and we'll go through this room and extract from underneath the floor, and then we'll inject air on the edges, and then we'll set these mats up with a negative air pool, and that's how you dry wood floors. Even though that's buckled, that will lay down because it's swollen with water, and once we retrieve the water out of it, it'll lay back down like it's supposed to. Give us a phone call, 662-760-4348, if you've got water disaster restoration services that are needing to be addressed, because I want you to experience the absolute difference.